Okay, Bolo Buddies, I have been wanting to do a Dollar Tree Bolo Buddies reseller experiment for quite a while. So in this video, I go through the Dollar Tree where everything, and I do mean everything, is $1. It's not like those dollar stores where they say it's $1 and it's not. Everything in this store is $1. So let's see if I bought anything to resell on eBay. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to take you into my intro. And if you've already seen this, I am using the long version. It's 1 minute, so feel free to fast forward if you're not new. And if you're new, definitely check it out because it's going to show you what my channel is about. I mostly focus on bolos, items you can pick up at thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, YouTube auctions, places like that. So, check out my intro. Hey, Bolo Buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Okay, Bolo Buddies, this Dollar Tree had a whole bunch of brand new sealed DVDs. Do I think you could make some bread and butter on that? Most definitely, depending on the movie. Now, do I think you're going to get high margins? Probably not, but definitely something to look at. I did not scan the barcodes, but definitely keep that in mind. These lanyards may sell. People could put them on their masks to hold their mask. Just an idea. This is great for resellers. These are storage bags, but you get one bag for $1, but those are kind of expensive. Hangers, there's lint rollers, a lot of items that I could use for personal use for my reselling business. And just make sure you save the receipts because those are a tax write-off. Bunch of baby items over here. Nothing really stood out to me. I'm going to come up on some bubble baths, some Paw Patrol bubble bath. People are selling those. Sell-through rate, I'm not sure what the sell-through rate was, but some are selling. A lot of people are selling them in lots of 4. And this is like this hair gel stuff. There were more sitting than there were solds. Not a lot were selling. People were trying to sell them, but they're not really selling. Comps were not good on this. Past. People were selling this, but again. Okay, before we go any further, I'm going to stop right there and I'm going to ask you guys to do me a huge favor. I'm guessing most people that are watching this are people that source at the Dollar Tree. And you may not want to give away your secrets, but if you do want to tell us your favorite Dollar Tree bolo in the comments, that would be amazing. Also, I'm going to ask that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. And please definitely go check out some of my bolo videos. My big money bolo videos are some of my most viewed videos. People love to see what I'm selling for big money that I have sourced at garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales, YouTube auctions, you name it. If I can get it for the right price and sell it for big money, I do it for sure. Okay, I'm going to pull up a little screen share of some of these that are selling. But again, people are lotting these items up and that's how they're making their money. You know, they're putting 4, 5, 6 together and, you know, that is increasing what they're going to make per item. So what I'm about to show you was a little mind-boggling. I'm just going through the rows or the lanes and I'm like, okay, so these are pregnancy tests, ovulation predictors, I think that's what they were called, and drug test, you guys. These are $1 each. And people are selling them on eBay. I don't know if there's rules for that, but people are selling them. That little nightlight that was just there, those would be a major bread and butter item. And this is going faster than I can talk. Some of the dog items might sell. Some of these coloring books, I mean, they would be super low margins and major bread and butter. But you could do one listing and have multi-quantity, which works great for people. People love that. Is it something that I get excited about? No, not really my thing. But people make a living doing this all the time. And it just depends how you want to store your items, or, you know, what interests you. That's what's important. Some people don't care about having huge margins and having to ship tons of items every day. These little characters, you can lot these up and sell them, but to me, like $1 each and then waiting for them to sell, that just seems like a lot of overhead. The cost of goods seems too high for me, but I'm going to pop some different things up here, and you can see people are selling them. They are making money, but again, very small margins on retail arbitrage Dollar Tree items. That's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Now, if you're a reseller, they do have shipping supplies at the Dollar Tree. So 8 envelopes for $1. You've got some padded envelopes. And this is more for the person that just needs like 1 or 2 things. But that's a big envelope, but it's $1 for one. And there's some boxes. But yeah, they have shipping supplies at the Dollar Tree. I was thinking about maybe like these look like little Lego decorations, like for party decor, party supplies. Maybe you could lot them up in a lot and sell them like that. Like that looks like dinosaurs and cars. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, Bolo Buddies, I have decided that the Dollar Tree is not for me. Just not big enough margins, and I really enjoy the hunt of going to garage sales and estate sales and thrift stores. I just like treasure hunting, and I'm gonna tell you that I didn't get that excitement from the dollar store. So, or the Dollar Tree, not the dollar store, but it is kind of a dollar store. But you know what I mean. So some people love this. Retail arbitrage works great for some people. They love the dollar store because they buy everything in bulk, they create one listing, and they sell it over and over and over again. So the margins are smaller, but they're selling like larger quantities. So this is great for the person who likes this type of reselling. But again, the Dollar Tree is not for me. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.